a symphony of motion, where every forklift movement and worker handoff is precisely choreographed for maximum output.
Lowering now. Steady, steady, locked in. Bring it down slowly now. Watch the alignment. Hold steady on my mark. Easy, easy, there. Easy now, watch that gap. A little to the right. Hold it there, coming down another inch. All right, secure that section tight.
Torquing the final bolts now.
Ready to power up the ventilation system.
Lowering. Check alignment on the starboard side.
Aligned. Locking sequence initiated.
Torque wrench engaged. Mount secured.
Hold it steady right there. Lowering the platform slightly. Okay, secure the fitting.
Engine 1 approaching test parameters.
Readings are stable. Cycling looks good.
Confirmed. Standing by for the next sequence.
Clear to come right to 270, Captain. Coming right, steadying on 270.
Reviewing the telemetry from the last run, everything is well within parameters.
Confirmed. The stabilization protocols are holding steady.
Final checks complete.
Confirmed. We are good to go.
Rerunning the structural analysis now.
Check the thermal load projections on the center screen.
Exterior scan complete. No anomalies detected.
Checklists updated and verified.
Seal engaged.
Confirmed. Checklist finalized. Ready for transport.
Monitor the radar sweep here for surface contacts.
Acknowledged. Engaging the autopilot sequence now.
Confirmed. Readiness status is green across the board.
Approvals are coming through sequentially.
Everything checks out. We can finalize the process.
Confirmed. Workflow complete.
Power levels holding steady at 98%. Copy that.
Environmental controls are green across the board.
This disruption requires immediate rerouting. Adjust the schedule for vessels 7 and 8.
The new route is clear.
Stores manifest is loaded, Captain.
Excellent. Take them down to the bridge. We're on standby for departure.
Aye, Captain.
Navigation inputs confirmed.
Visual contact established, bearing 270.
Very well. Maintain course and speed.